Hi, welcome back to my channel and to another video. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how young adults like me and you, often the age of 20 to 25 wale group mein, are expected to have all the things figured out, like what should be your future look like, what should your future look like, and where should you be working, and all of that. And how I, as a person, do not believe in this conventional idea of living and giving this written script in your hand and then following it rule by rule. So I don't believe in that, and why I will be telling you in this video. And if you are also of the same view, you may tag along with me through this video. So yeah, that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's get forward with the video. So, I think most of us have had relatives who ask by the time you turn 20, 21, they start asking कि क्या plans है, career के क्या plans है, कहाँ पर काम करना है, what are you doing right now, when are you getting married, what are your plans for this, for that, for that, for this. It's so annoying, I know, but then it's also important. I wouldn't say it's not important or anything. It is very important कि अपना life figure करना ज़रूरी होता है, but then it's just that people need to understand that it's different for each and every person. Some people become millionaires at the age of 23 does not mean that everybody has to become a millionaire at the age of 23. Some people figure out their life by 25 does not mean the others are also expected to do that, right? So it is different for each and every individual. And how I came up to this thing was because I turned 22 this year, and I'm currently during my final years of my masters. I have never taken a drop year or anything to waste my time, for that matter. I joined the school at the right age and then I got out also at the right age. I've never taken a drop year. But I had this phase where I was overthinking a lot about, where I'm going with my career, what am I going to do, how am I going to spend my life in the future, how am I going to be independent, financial independence kaise rahegi, ye wo. I was very worried. I was overwhelmed. I was anxious about these things. I still am. I wouldn't deny I'm not, because we are living in such an economy that it is valid to be worried about these things. But then it's like to a certain extent that I started losing myself, which is the limit that you should be considering कि उससे आगे नहीं जाना है, इससे आगे तो जाना ही नहीं है. That to a point where you are actually losing yourself and not doing the things you are actually supposed to do. You're not living your life. This is the only time you'll be a young adult, right? So that is one thing I wanted to talk about, because I used to paint, I used to draw, and there was a certain period of my time where I became so anxious because of this thing that I stopped everything, and it felt like a time waste. To doing all of these things that I loved felt like time waste. You understand how that concept was so ingrained into my mind कि oh my god, I have to do this, I have to do that. इस वजह से I stopped giving time to myself, and that is where the real quality of life is being lost, I think. Everybody should give themselves their time and space to evolve, to understand what they truly want, instead of following that rat race कि वो 21 साल तक ये करना है, वो करना है. All of that is there, I understand, but then it's different for each and every one. You may go through a lot of struggles than the others did, right? For some people it might be easier, or some people had the luck or had put more effort maybe, but you were not able to put that effort maybe somehow. So that is there, and stop comparing yourself with others कि वो लोग आगे बढ़ गए and all of that. Because when I open LinkedIn, I truly feel sometimes, oh my god, I'm lagging so behind when compared to my peers. They are doing this, they have joined this company, they are doing this, and they have got this good package and all of that, and I just lose my mind after that, because these are the platforms which are supposed to inspire you, but you are actually getting the opposite of it, right? So that's not right. That's not the purpose of the app. That's what not it is serving, but you are taking it that way. So instead of doing that, give yourself the time and space to understand and to live properly, first of all. If you try to collect all of these things into your mind and just run behind things, I think you're never going to reach anywhere, because I was such a person, I am such a person, and I'm trying to change myself from that, because I really don't want to, go behind this and not waste exactly, but then, not ruin my mental peace like that. So, it's not like I've stopped working hard in my life or anything like that, but the anxiety and overthinking has reduced to a certain level, and it should, because it's not going to do good anyways. It's going to do bad only. So might as well stop it or try to reduce it and do more mindful things so that you are able to focus more on what you should be focusing instead of on these things and comparison with others and all of that. So yeah, that is it for today. Understand this thing ki you don't have to have it all figured out by 25, and each person is different, and comparison is not something which you should be doing. Instead, you should give yourself the time to heal and understand yourself first. So yeah, that is it about this video. If you relate to this video or you want to talk about anything else or want to share experiences of your own, you may use the comment box for that. And yeah, like, share and subscribe for more of this yapping. Yeah, that's it for today's video.